Good morning, children. Today we are going to mark the book back exercise in a geography lesson 1 resources. Choose the correct answer. First question, which one of the following is renewable resources? A. Gold. B. Iron. C. Petroleum. D. Solar energy. Answer is solar energy. Second question, where is the largest solar power project situated in India? A. Kamudi. B. Aralvaimoli. C. Muppandal. D. Neyveli. Answer is A. Kamudi. Third question, which is one of the first metal known and used by man? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Gold. D. Silver. Answer is B. Copper. Fourth question, dash is one of the indispensable minerals used in electrical and electronics industry. A. Limestone. B. Mica. C. Manganese. D. Silver. Answer is B. Mica. Fifth question, electricity produced from coal called dash. A. Thermal power. B. Nuclear power. C. Solar power. D. Hydel power. Answer is A. Thermal power. Rome letter second, fill in the blanks. First question, dash is the largest producer of hydroelectricity. Answer is China. C-H-I-N-A, China. China is the largest producer of hydroelectricity. Second question, iron ores found at dash in Tamil Nadu. Answer is Kanjamalai. K-A-N-J-A-M-A-L-A-I, Kanjamalai. Third question, dash is produced from bauxite ore. Answer is aluminium. A-L-U-M-I-N-I-U-M, aluminium. Fourth question, dash is used in making electrical batteries. Answer is manganese. M-A-N-G-A-N-E-S-E, manganese. Fifth question, petroleum and its derivatives are called dash. Black gold. B-L-A-C-K, black. G-O-L-D, gold, black gold. Rome letter 3, match the following. First question, renewable resources. Answer is wind energy. Renewable resources. Answer is wind energy. Second question, metallic resources. Answer is iron. Metallic resources. Answer is iron. Third question, non-metallic resources. Answer is mica. Non-metallic resources. Answer is mica. Fourth question, fossil fuel. Answer is petroleum. Fossil fuel. Answer is petroleum. Fifth question, limestone. Answer is sedimentary rock. Limestone. Answer is sedimentary rock. Roman letter 4. Consider the following statement and tick the appropriate answer. Assertion, wind power is clean energy. Reason, wind turbines do not produce any emission. A option, A and or are correct and or explains A. B, A and or are correct but or is not explain A. C, A is incorrect but or is correct. D option, both A and or are incorrect. Answer is A option, A and or are correct and or explains A. Second question, assertion, natural gas is found with petroleum deposits. Reason, it can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. A option, A and or are correct and or explains A. B option, A and or are correct but or does not explain A. C option, A is incorrect but or is correct. D option, both A and or are incorrect. The answer is B option, A and or are correct but or does not explain A. Roman letter 5. Answer the following. First question, define resources. Answer, anything which can be used for satisfying the human needs is called resources. Anything which can be used for satisfying the human needs is called resources. Second question, what are the uses of iron? Its low cost and high earth strength makes it usable in engineering applications such as the construction of machinery and machine tools, automobiles, construction of large ships, structural components of building, bridges, etc. Third question, what are the major utilizers of solar energy in the world? What are the major utilizers of solar energy in the world? Answer, India, China, Japan, Italy, and states of America are major utilizers of solar energy in the world. Fourth question. Name the types of coal based on carbon content. Coal is classified into 4 types based on carbon content. They are anthracite, bituminous, lignite, peat. Coal are classified into 4 types. They are anthracite, bituminous, lignite, and peat. Give a short note on duralumin. Fifth question. Give a short note on duralumin. Answer is, by the addition of small quantities of other metals to aluminium, it creates superior alloy than pure aluminium. Example, duralumin. Thank you, children.